Hi, this is Hui Xu from In the Art of Music. In my last video, I talked about the correct hand position for playing scales. If you haven't watched that one yet, I suggest you to watch that video first before this one, because there are some similarities on general hand position for both scales and arpeggios. The word arpeggio comes from Italian language, which means to play on a harp. The differences for playing scales and arpeggios is that the notes for scales are step by steps. The notes for arpeggios are skips. When we play arpeggios, we need to think of a long legato line. So long phrases can help us play smoothly in arpeggio. So the articulation for arpeggio is different from the articulation for scales. The correct hand position for playing arpeggio is to spread your fingers out with a flatter finger shape, because you will have an accuracy of reaching all the notes. But you still need to remember to avoid collapse of joint fingers. Especially for the first knuckle, this is wrong finger shape. Even though we are using flatter finger shape for playing arpeggios, we still need very good and strong finger posture to play every note. Another common problem some students have is having a break, a lack of sound when you play through entire arpeggios, like this. So you can hear the gap between. The problem here is you didn't move your hand correctly. So I suggest you to angle your hand to the direction where you're going. If you're going up for an ascending passage, okay, angle your hand to the right a little bit. That way, your finger, your thumb, will close to the next key. So it will be easier passing through. This is the correct way. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, you may leave comments for me. I'll see you next time.